Let me explain about personal injury claims and how we handle these. We explain to our clients when they first call us that it's not what they say that is wrong with them, but it's what we can prove. In order to prove these kinds of cases, we ask our clients to help us document their case. So we've asked them not only to forward important papers that they may have received for medical treatment or incident reports from the accident, but also to keep track of their doctor's appointments, what the doctors say to them, and how they're feeling on a daily basis. This is called keeping a calendar. We also ask them to take photographs of their injuries and as they heal, so that we can show how long they've had black and blue marks, or how long they wore a cast, or what their lacerations look like, because this helps us convince insurance companies about the value of their case. So keeping track and documenting the case is extremely important. We also tell them, look, get appropriate medical attention. And when you see the doctor, explain what your symptoms are so the doctor can write it down and it's in his notes. Because if it doesn't appear in the doctor's records and you didn't complain about it, the insurance company takes the attitude, well, it must not have been very important, otherwise you'd have mentioned it. So we don't want people to overtreat, we don't want people to undertreat. We want people to get appropriate medical attention so that at the end of the case we can get all this documentation, put it together and explain in exquisite detail what the problems that our client had and why there's value in their case.